Alright everybody, welcome back to some more Wreckfest Mobile, playing a Demolition Derby. Starting this one off backwards. Cars going flying over the whole pack. Not a bad start. Alright, looks like we just gotta score as many points as we can. Easier said than done. But we're gonna try, take that. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, good hit there. I don't really got much to talk about. I just wanted to start recording videos. This is my first video for the day. Kind of just patiently waiting until they race at Supercross this Saturday for Glendale. I have more videos posted on that whenever all the drama happens. I'll definitely have all the updates. Eli Tomac, Cooper Webb tied with the points. Look at this. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, almost into the fans. Can I get off the fence? Alright, bet. Yeah, gotta keep this score alive. 1600. Whew. Oh, already got bronze. Yeah, write yourself over. No, it ain't gonna do it. Okay. Oh, that dead car needs to go away. Oh, I got a wrecking assist. The dead car took him out, really? Oh, really? Oh, yeah. See you later, buddy. I just wanted to help you out. Oh, I missed him. Alright, now we gotta get 6,000 points for silver. I mean, we could try. Ain't gonna hurt. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, that's a dead car. Dang it. There's another one. Here we go. Some points. Got just over a minute left. I need y'all to, like, group up so I can just come at y'all full speed. Oh, I'm going for this guy. What's up, Jumper Jack? Yeah, get out of here. Pepper. Yo, these names are they're just great. Oh. Yeah, that was definitely a slam. Hold on, who could we get? Well, yo, we could get it. We got 30 seconds. Come on, we can get silver. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that car is out of here. 8,000 for... Oh, damn. Holy crap. Did y'all see that one? Alright, we're definitely not going to make 8,000, but I'll take that silver. That's what's up. That's gonna do it for this little episode of Wreckfest. Hope you enjoyed. Got some good crashes. That one car went flying. That was insane. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Peace.